Hey Zach, my name is Mike Geddes and I'm calling on behalf of RoboCode. We received your resume and looked over it and we would like to have you come in for an interview next Tuesday at 3 p.m. Will you be able to come in?
Oh, that's great. Certainly, I'd be more than happy to come. That date and time, yeah, it works perfect for me.
Alright, sounds good. The interview will consist of a simple interview along with a lab type interview. Do you have any questions?
Okay, that's great. Anything that I'll need to bring besides my portfolio or anything like that?
No, that isn't necessary because everything that you need will be available for you to use if you need it.
Okay, great. No, that's awesome. I will see you then. Okay, thank you.
Yes!
Oh, how's it going?
How's it going?
Not too bad. Nice to meet you. Very nice to meet you.
This is our facility. This is our sister facility, actually. Steel Co.
It's very setup.
Yeah, they produce steel and make machines and stuff.
That's awesome.
I'm gonna take you through to our robots and our cells. What we do here.
Okay, great. It's a really nice setup.
Yeah, it's just steel. Yeah, that's one of our actual steel CNC machines. Over here we got some traffic lights that we're working with. Trying to program them for new companies. This here is our actual robot facility. Now, we have 8 spin-up robots. All of them are connected together from there. What we're going to do is have you set up, get you write a little program maybe, if you know your knowledge of Caro programming.
Yes, of course.
Help you,
Yeah.
get you to set up the robot and make it work.
Okay, great.
Do with it.
That's
All right?
awesome. Yeah.
Okay, this is our new control logics box. We have 8 of them that we just got brand new.
Okay, great.
Yeah. You don't really use them. We won't be using today much. When you get into working a bit, when we do build stuff, we sometimes have to get programming to get in here.
Okay, great.
This is the actual robot
Yeah,
itself.
familiar
You
with
with that?
those, yeah.
Okay. You know what that is? Panel view? You know the panel view?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah?
I do. I have
Perfect.
quite a bit of experience with that.
Perfect. Perfect. This is our computer that we program everything on here with.
Perfect. And that's hooked up to the data highway. And
Data highway, RIO, you get your Ethernet going.
Perfect. Perfect.
Everything.
That's great.
Did you teach by that?
Okay, for the robot controller?
Robot controller.
Okay. What are these here?
This is our lock-in system. So pretty much, if you don't have one of these keys in here, you can't get in.
Oh, okay.
And this door must be closed
Okay.
to get anything working.
That's great.
Okay?
That's a really good system.
We got our line of conveyors, which go all the way around. Are all synced, like they're all connected to each other.
Perfect.
We got our barcode scanner.
Okay, I've never worked with those before.
Yeah, we do a lot of stuff with companies that print labels on the back of their boxes and stuff.
Okay.
And we have to detect what's in the box.
Part numbers.
Yeah, but like we get what part
Okay,
numbers and stuff.
that makes sense.
There's a vision camera in here to
Okay, I've
detect-
worked with those before.
Yeah, you have
Yes.
basically that. This conveyor, it's special with this robot because what we can do is send parts in. They can come into the conveyor, and then the robot can work on them.
Okay.
So pretty much, and then as soon as it's done, the robot tells the thing to leave, and it goes back to the next one.
Okay, great. It's,
Yeah.
it's a great automation system.
So this is our 6-axis robot.
Okay.
You familiar with?
Yeah, I've programmed some Philips robotics before. I'm pretty experienced in it, both teach-pendant programming and with Caro programming. So
It's pretty good. All right. Well, what we'll do is we'll get you set up. See if you can. We have some blocks. What we'll do is we'll try to get you see if you can move some blocks.
perfect.
So instead of moving blocks, what we're going to get you to do is a bit shift.
Okay.
We're going to get you to bring the pallet through the conveyor, make it go over, and make it come back.
Okay.
All synchronous.
Okay.
You have your panel view here. What we want you to do is build a panel view application to verify. I have a sheet here with all your outlines and stuff.
Great.
So if you want to take a look over that, and I'll be back in like 20 minutes.
Okay.
See what you got.
Okay, that's great. Thank you very much.
Perfect.
Yeah.
just finished what I think you were looking for the panel view.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Okay,
It's
great.
really good.
And this is my ladder logic. I think I
Great.
just did it by steps there in terms of what bits I'm turning on.
Yep.
Sounds good.
Perfect.
Okay, great. If you just want to give me 10 minutes,
Oh, yeah.
I'll get it all set up and then I'll demo it for you.
All right.
Great.
Thanks.
Hey, Keenan, I think I've got everything ready to go here.
Yeah. All right, let's take a look.
So I got the panel view loaded up there.
Okay.
I think we should be good. And I'm online with the PLC.
Nice. Found everything nice and
Yep.
found everything?
Everything seems to be okay.
Perfect. Okay, well, let's see if this works the way I intended to work. Looks good so far. Let's see if this works. Yeah? Perfect.
Okay, great. That's what you're looking for?
Exactly what we're looking for.
Awesome.
All right.
Perfect.
Well, what we'll do is have you talk to our HR man
Okay.
for the interview process. Right now, you've got my good word.
Okay.
You've done really good so far, and
Awesome.
it's like hopefully you'll be working here someday.
Hopefully. Thank you
Thank you.
very much for your time, man.
Huh.
How's it
Hey, Zach.
going today?
That's better, yeah?
Not too bad, thanks.
So, to start off, I'd like to hear about your education.
I recently graduated from industrial automation at Durham College, also known as mechatronics. It's a really diverse course. We focus in robotics and PLC programming, but we look at everything from manufacturing processes and budgeting and cost cutting and that sort of thing to pneumatics, hydraulics, right down to actually physically machining.
Okay.
Specifically with the robotics area, we think with panel view integration, barcode scanners, vision cameras for product identification, all types of networking, RIO, data highway. I discussed all this with you, so we kind of went over it, but
So you're feeling right at home right now?
yes, totally, yeah, I am in my element for sure.
Right on. Excellent. Can you also talk about some previous work experience?
I have had quite a few jobs, but only one in this field. Actually, it's a placement that I did through school at Synchron Automotive here, just down the road.
Okay.
I was following the person who was in charge of the automation and the maintenance of the automation, so I was constantly fixing PLC program errors, anything to do with hardware, physical sensors, anything like that, any sort of integration, networking.
Okay.
So I was kind of troubleshooting and designing, not so much of the design, but mainly troubleshooting PLC and automation systems, and some robotic systems. There was one robot that was integrated with the automation of the plant, so it was a very good experience for me.
Okay. Yeah, that's very good. Another question. Can you tell me about a stressful situation you've experienced and how you overcame it?
I have to be honest and say, throughout school, there's quite a few stressful situations, particularly in the automation section of it. Usually the workload is very, very, very heavy, sometimes requiring 30 hours a week outside of class time.
Understandable.
So it can be very stressful and very exhausting, but you put your head down and you push through and you do what you have to do.
Definitely do. Okay, here's a good one. Have you experienced a problem with the supervisor before?
Nothing major. A couple of clashes of attitudes maybe, but I mean, again, if it's a superior, you always have to be respecting them. And at the end of the day, it's their call. So I think the small issues, but in the end, you know, the supervisor, your person that works above you is always right. So, you know, you just try and be as accommodating as you can. So.
You gotta do what you gotta do, right? Okay. Do you prefer to work in a group or individually?
I think personally I prefer individual work. I kind of work better by myself, so just put my head down and go at it. But not as to say that I can't work in group setting as both a leader or a follower of somebody who's a more aggressive personality. So I think that either of the two really, but I prefer, I think, working as an individual.
Okay. Very good. What are your thoughts on health and safety and its importance?
Well, in our field, it's one of the most important things. I mean, we're working with machinery that can harm or kill you very easily if you make a mistake or don't follow procedures. So I think, you know, not only following the rules, but knowing the rules and being trained and staying up on that training is very, very crucial to a happy, healthy career.
Yeah, couldn't be more right. How did the walkthrough go with Demon?
It went very well. Like I said before, I'm pretty much at home here. It's nothing that I'm really unfamiliar with. A couple small things, but I think it went well. We got along very well, and the programming little demo I did for him worked flawlessly, so that was great. And I don't know. I think this facility would be a very good fit for me.
Okay. On that note, can you tell me what you know about our company?
Well, I know Roboco is a medium-sized company with about 110 employees. About 90 of them actually working on the shop floor. And you guys specialize in automation with robotics and conveyor programming, both in-house and, as far as I know, you guys do contracting to
Occasionally, yes.
to external companies looking for special people who have a specialty in automation and robotics.
Why should we hire you?
You know what? I think a lot of people are flighty nowadays and don't really have commitment to their job. But if I do get this position, or any position for that matter, it's full commitment. Work is number one. You have to be here. You're supposed to be here, and you're here to work at the end of the day.
Very good. Well, thank you for coming by.
Thank you very much.
I'm going to talk to the shop manager, and he'll give you a call.
Okay, great. I look forward to hearing from you.
All right. Take care.
So I talked to the new guy. Yeah, but not bad. I just have like a pen on his shoulders. Yeah. What do you think about it?
Demo was awesome. Demo went flawless. Yeah, did everything I asked him to do and more.
No, really? Yeah. And he was perfect. Everything ran smooth. So you have my go ahead. Yeah. I see no problem with that either. Yeah. All right.